Bushcraft family, and this is my 2022 Shedwars entry video. And as you can see, I have my lucky gnome up here, which will help me be number one in Shedwars in 2022. So, we're supposed to tell a little bit about ourselves, but, well, let me show you some of my stuff we got going on here. As you can see, I'm down here, yeah, but I do have some video of my garden from last year, so you can check that out. As you can see, I'm fiddling with my peppers, and if you didn't know, I grew the biggest peppers in last year's competition. Yes, I even knocked out that old Will It Wilt guy, Will It Won't Grow, or whatever his name is. I even knocked him off, and I'm the champion pepper grower, so we'll see who can dethrone me. As you can see, I also grew a bunch of tomatoes. Those turned out really well. But let me say, I can't wait until I get started on the new season. I'm going to add a couple more raised beds and try to get a lot more vegetables growing this year. So, thanks everybody for dropping by, and see ya in the garden.